सवेरे सवेरे मैं एक शिकायत लेकर आई हूँ कि आप लोग मुझे बोलते रहते हो मेक लॉन्ग मेक लॉन्ग व्लॉग मेक लॉन्ग व्लॉग, बट आप लोग कोई देख ही नहीं रहे हो, ना कि सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हो। एनीवे 4:30 बजे और हम लोग जा रहे हैं CST। हम गोवा जा रहे हैं मुंबई CST से। एंड येस, हम लोग ट्रेन ले रहे हैं बिकॉज आई हेट फ्लाइंग, आई लव ट्रेन राइड्स। और मैं जस्ट बोलने वाली थी कि मुंबई इज़ अ सिटी दैट नेवर स्लीप्स, बट लुक्स लाइक आज सवेरे सब लोग सोए ही है। Anyhow, we are here at the beautiful CST जहाँ पे और लोग सोए दिख रहे हैं. From the last time that I was here at CST, it's got a full-on makeover. They now even have sleeping pods which people actually use. I was very impressed. I headed to our platform which is I think 14 number या 12, I'm not sure. And yes, Rustam is बेचारा carrying both our bags. अभी comment मत करना क्या यार, हाथ नहीं है पैर नहीं है, क्या है पर vlog कौन करेगा? Anyways, I was quite impressed with the cleanliness यहाँ पे also. अरे वाह, बग्गी भी आ गई। अरे आंटी 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 हैज़ नेवर सीन अ बग्गी आई थिंक, बट चलेगा। चलो आंटी तो बच गई। एंड नाउ हियर्स प्रेजेंटिंग VB Vande Bharat. It's quite a cool looking train. I forgot to take a shot while entering, so while we were moving I thought I'd show you. It has like this, क्या बोलते हैं, sensor opening closing, and even though it is an 8 to 10 hour ride, you get these recliner seats which I have to say are very comfortable. You don't feel tired or anything of the sort. These were our seat numbers 58 and 59, and that's my bag settled in with my pictures. It was at this moment that I realized that these seats recline, and so I reclined mine and got a little more cozy. This is not half as bad as I thought it would be. Window seat.
You can reach in 45 minutes in a flight.
Then this is me just reminding him how lucky he is that he's going to get 10 hours with just me. Okay, anyways, moving on. I'm going to show you things I found very cool in the train. One, your own personal charging port, which I think is fabulous. A guy comes and gives you water, and not only that, they actually have a place to put the water bottle, which I think is very well thought of. Not going to Rustam. But yeah, 5:25 on the clock, the train started moving. This, I think, is the coolest. I know it should be like we should not be saying wow and all, but we are so used to nothing being on time in our country. Ki when this happened, I actually woke him up and I was like, oh my god, 5:25 and it's actually moving. Very cool, Vande Bharat. Very cool. Please ऐसे ही रहना. Newspapers were also handed out. There was an English Bombay Times, as in Times of India, along with a Marathi paper. And don't judge me, but I just had to do this, even though I have to admit the train was spotless. And 6 o'clock on the clock, there was chai and biscuit served. And around 8 o'clock, we were served breakfast, garma garam breakfast. I had some bread butter. आई हैड उपमा. अगर आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे आओगे तो आप सब देखोगे. आई डिड अ फुल व्हाट आई एट while I was on the train. Not the peach. The peach I carried, जो आपने देखा already. On a side note, carry a sweater, shawl, and socks because the train can get a little cool and no blankets and takyas are provided. Soak in the beauty. Also, special mention for the cute little uniforms. Huh? I mean, it was quite cute. The uniforms are well designed. Now, for the main question people keep asking me. Frankly, I was very impressed through and through. This is mid journey, and the toilet was spotless. There was no stink, and there was TP through the journey. There is somebody cleaning this toilet periodically, and there is somebody cleaning this train also. I think around 1 o'clock lunch was served. Again, very nice, hot, simple, sadharan dal, chawal, paneer, sabji, roti. I had some achar also, and yeah, I frankly had zero complaints. Just maybe don't give the shira. Somebody actually wrote on Insta saying they got gulab jamuns. Mere gulab jamun kidhar hai? Through and through, this has to be one of the most beautiful scenic train rides you will ever take. And if you're living in the north, get off at Thivim. Don't get off at Madgaon. Lastly, be responsible citizens. We walked into this train spotless and we made sure we left our seats spotless as well. That is Thivim station. Yes, you have to walk thoda, but after an 8-hour journey, why not? Everyone needs to walk. And yeah, our holiday is about to begin. I cannot wait. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs like this. Bye.